Rinsing your Model 11 after use is fast and will ensure your system is always ready for its next pour. Just run a stream of warm water through the spout for a few seconds. Do not submerge your system or place it in the dishwasher. Dry with a soft cloth. From time to time, give your system a thorough cleaning. Flip the handle up and turn it counterclockwise. Pull the handle up to remove the spout. Run a stream of warm water through the spout. Pull the needle by the grip straight up and out of the system. Rinse the needle under warm water. Rinse away all the particles from the filter found at the top of the needle. Rinse the rest of the system as shown. Ensure the clamp moves up and down with ease. Dry with a soft cloth. Slide the clamp up and replace the needle. Replace the handle over the needle well and turn clockwise into place. Slide the clamp down until it locks into place. If you have gas installed but your system won't pour, you may need to clear your needle. Insert the needle clearing brush into the top of the needle and twist to release particles. Then, submerge the open end of the needle clearing tool in a cup of warm water and use the plunger to pull water into the tool. Insert the needle into the open end of the tool and press the plunger quickly to push water through the needle.